Today, I arrived in Siquijor, just about an hour from Dumaguete. This island known to be mystic feels less like an arrival, more like an embrace. And I can say this true as I greet the first sunset facing Palatin Beach. I met Luis Barongan of Siquijor Provincial Tourism, the island's most trusted guide, well known to the locals. With him showing me around, I was assured I'd experience the island's heart and soul, starting with Lorena's Market Day. We went straight to Queen Gate Center in Barangay Lorena. Every Sunday, farmers, fishermen, and traders gather here, continuing a tradition from Spanish colonial times. They bring not just goods, you can immediately feel their welcoming culture.
Welcome to my vlog.
So, bili po ako ng isang nilupak at yung pinuto.
Isang piraso?
Isang piraso po.
Sarap.
Okay. So, ito yung nilupak. Medyo soft siya. Mabango rin. Sarap po, ate. Okay, so this is made of coconut, sugar, and banana. Sweet, simple, and comforting. Sige, sabay po tayo.
Dito. Maganda to. Maganda to.
Sarap. Salamat po, kuya. Then, I had the pinuto. So ito naman ay gawa sa cassava, sugar, at coconut. Sometimes rice is added for fullness. Sarap po nito, ate. Nagustuhan ko rin po siya. So parang ito, tingin ko mas matamis siya kumpara sa nilupak. Pero parehong masarap. So this one is very Siquijor.
Yes, actually that's very, very Siquijor. Since when you say like Siquijor, Mabato, most of the crops that you can grow here is yung cassava.
Oh.
Kaya special siya. Culturally, parang cultural food siya. Tatlong variant yan, yung kamuting kahoy na yan na may kalamay or sugar. Meron din yung parang bland lang, yun yung replacement namin with rice. Kasi kulang kami ng rice dito sa Siquijor, kaya yun yung replacement natin with rice. Yung ano lang, yung plain. Yun yung pair natin with kinilaw.
Actually, parang nakwento nga sa akin, yung plain,
yeah.
parang bagay raw siya sa humba at sa kinilaw.
Humba, kinilaw, any. And then also, we have the pure starch yung gamit.
Yes.
Yun naman yung mas special. Mas mahal yun siya kasi starch talaga yun siya. Yun yung pinaka natin, yung pinaka gummy bears. Parang ganun. Oo.
Okay.
Yeah. Parang gummy bears siya na ano ba?
Gummy bears, okay. Sarap na to?
Yes.
The more special version uses cassava starch, chewy, and almost candy-like. One nanay even sang its sweetness to me. Ito pa yung bayuyot. At para raw siyang gummy bear. Tama nga, parang yung texture niya, parang gummy bear nga. No, at pang iba nga silang dalawa.
Ito yung pinaka-special, yung bayuyot. Kasi pwede ito sa mga bata, paborito ng mga bata. Very, very Siquijor.
Very Siquijor. Parang siguro ito, mas pang dessert siya. Ito, mas pang merienda.
Merienda.
Yeah, yan. Ganun ko siya ma-differentiate.
Gusto mong mabusog, yun.
Tama.
Pag nag-gym ka, yun.
Tama.
Kasi super rich in fiber yun.
I felt very intrigued. I asked Luis to introduce me to Nanay Gading, a mother and keeper of tradition who welcomed me into her home to show how bayuyot is made. Her tools are humble, but her craft is remarkable. Ano naman pa ito?
Ito naman, yung lata lang po ng ano yan. Gatas.
She shows me how cassava starch is refined by hand, 2 cores, and it hardens. Usually, muscovado sugar is added, but today, she uses brown sugar. Watching her, I see this isn't just cooking. It's patience, tradition, and love carried through generations. My journey through Siquijor taught me something simple. Happiness doesn't need to be complicated. In the warmth of a stranger's greeting, in a family who cooks with care, in a single bite of bayuyot. Nanay Gading, sarap po. Ang sarap po.
Thank you.
Life is already sweet.